In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a QR code for your forms, whether it's a Microsoft Office forms or a Google form like this. We'll show you guys how you can create a QR code for it. So this is a Google form. You can see docs here. So now let me show you guys how to do this simple and easy. So you hop on your form like this that you want to create a QR code for, and you come here, you copy the link that you share to people for them to fill in the form here. So now I copy the link here, and then let me come to this browser to show you guys. I copy the link, so I search it. So let's say you added the link into an email or a communique, so they click on it and then they come to this page like this, so they fill the form. So now let's create a QR code. So what we need to do is, since we have the link to the form, we move to our browser and then we search this, a link to QR code. Now almost all the websites I'm getting here are paid. They are going to tell you it's free. They want you to click on it and then you start using it. It's paid. So now we'll be using this website. Look at the link here, meqrcode.com. So let me come here. I think there's it. There's their favicon, meqrcode.com. So now I come here and then I paste my link here. The link of the form, I paste it here, and then I can add a name for the QR code, which is optional, and I can add a content category, which is optional too as well. So now I try to customize it, and you can see there's it here. So I can choose this, which is okay, scan me. So you can pause the video and scan the code. You see it's going to redirect you to that Google form I showed you, which is this Google form. So now let me try downloading it. I download the QR code here. Good. So by clicking on the PNG, I download it. And I double tap it and you can see there's it. So that's it on how you can create a QR code for a Google form or a form created by Google Docs or Microsoft Office. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.